What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Hit the like and subscribe button below, because I already know you're going to like this. And let's get into it. What's going on, y'all? Haven't been on here in a minute. Took some time off. It was kind of slow for a little bit, and there wasn't really much to talk about, so I didn't want to come on here and just talk about nothing. But the season is changing. It is now busy season for the gig apps. It's holiday season coming around, so this is the time that the gig drivers, you gig drivers and medical couriers, this is the time you go out here and you make your money. But before we get in this video, let's go do a delivery. Today we're working on Spark. I got a $28 8-mile, 4 different drop-off. This should be easy. Let's go ahead and knock this out, get into the video. Let's go. As you guys can see, I'm loaded up. I got the orders in the car. I got the one in the trunk. 3 drop-offs. Let's go ahead and knock this thing out. Let's go. Hey guys, I got a question. I know this is off topic, but I've been trying to find a new show to get into on the streaming apps. You guys let me know in the comment section, what is a good show to get into? I love action shows. I love murder mysteries. Let me know in the comment section what you guys watch, what shows you guys are getting into. And for my avid sports folks, week 3 of football, any surprises? You guys happy with what's going on right now in the league? I mean, my Commanders, man, they lost Thursday night game. It's nice to finally see us actually get these primetime games, but we got to show out, because if we don't do well this year, back to the drawing board next year. But I'm pulling up to the drop-off location of the first order, of the first Spark order. Let's go ahead, drop off these orders, drop off the first one, drop off the rest, and get back into the video. Just dropped off the first order, on to order number 2. Let's knock it out. Look, y'all, I know it can be hard out here. Sometimes it can feel like we at it by ourselves. We out here alone, but God got your back. And for those who aren't religious or who don't believe in a higher power, this probably isn't the channel for you, because I'm a firm believer over here. So whenever you feeling down, you got doubt, you know who to believe in. Put all your belief in Him. Pulling up to my second drop off right now. Let's go ahead and drop this off. It's been a good day so far. Let's go. Just pulled up to the second drop off of the Spark order, and I wanted to leave you guys with information that I got from the Spark team. Now you cannot sit out in front of the Walmarts if you are trying to get orders. If you sit in front of the Walmarts, you won't get any orders. You have to be at least 100 yards. That way, it makes it fair for other drivers and not the ones who are sitting in front of the restaurants or the stores trying to cherry pick and get orders that way. So now you have to be at least 100 yards away. So keep that in mind when you are taking Spark deliveries. Now let's go drop this order off. Okay, we just dropped off order number 2. Let's go complete this Spark order and get back into the video. All right, y'all, that was the last delivery on that Spark order. As I stated before, that order paid $28, 8 miles for 4 deliveries. Not bad. Now let's get into the video. This is busy season. You should be able to pick up a contract for those who are trying to start in the medical courier business. Like I said in my video before, I'm gonna be dropping a starter pack medical courier course that'll teach you where to sign up for your LLCs, where to get your HIPAA, your bloodborne pathogens, and your certs, and where to look for contracts. So I'll be putting all that together for you guys really soon, so stay tuned for that. But if you're getting value from this channel, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to further support the channel, click the links down below. Buy me a coffee. But yeah, this is the time to go out and sign up on these gig apps. I'm gonna give you 2 apps, and I'm gonna give you a website to go on that you can look up and see if there's anything on there in your location that you can sign up for, so you can get the ball rolling. We got number 1, we got DropOff. DropOff does medical courier, and they also do parcels. So sign up for DropOff. They are always hiring. I think they are in 49 states, I'm not sure, but go on that website and sign up. They have opportunities. Just take a look, see which one fits your area, and sign up. And then we have Better Trucks. Better Trucks is a app in my market. Routes are like 75 to 175, and you can go up even more. That is not a bad app to sign up for. Better Trucks, that is the second app. And the website, CBDriver.com. It's a hub website that you go on and put in your zip code, and it'll give you different contracts within your area. It'll show you companies that are looking for your services. So you can sign up on there if there's anything in your market that'll help you get to that bag. But this is the time that you all need to sign up for the apps. This is the time to go out there and push yourself to make that money. There's no excuse during this season. So if you guys would like more information, like I said, I'm coming out with a course pretty soon. I'm just working out the final touches on that. These gig apps should help you if you can get on, because solely working DoorDash and Uber Eats and Grubhub, like that's dead. Those apps aren't paying enough money, at least in my market. Obviously, like I stated in past videos, if you stack the apps, you can make decent money, but working these apps by themselves, it just isn't enough. So you're gonna have to use these other apps and stack them in order to make some real money, because I know $150 is not enough money for most of us out here, especially with the cost of living going up every year. So like, just using DoorDash and Uber Eats just not enough. So using these other apps that I gave you and the website CBDriver to help elevate your earnings, I feel like can only help you. And also, y'all, stop listening to the naysayers saying that you can't make money in this space or this space is absolutely dead. That's just not true. Yes, it's slower, and making money the way that we used to make it isn't as easy, but you can still make money. You just have to work smarter, not harder, because the money just isn't as good as it used to be. So taking these bad orders just doesn't make sense. So just working DoorDash and Uber Eats isn't the way to go. If you stacking those apps, yeah, it can benefit you, but you also want to add other gig apps that pay more and offer more so you can make more. So don't just rely on DoorDash and Uber Eats. Sign up for other apps. Sign up for the drop-offs, sign up for the dollies, sign up to these other apps. Not just Walmart, Spark, and Instacart. Those apps are good, but they're saturated and they don't pay as well as they used to. So look out for the other apps. Sign up for them, take a look at them. It can benefit you. Life doesn't stop. And as we all can see, we're getting older and things just not getting easier. So in order to make things easier, we got to go out there and apply ourselves more and not wait for opportunities to come to us. So Sign up to these apps. Don't wait for DoorDash and Uber Eats to bring you or give you these opportunities. Sign up to these apps. Get your LLC. Go out here and get it. Stop waiting. Stop just using DoorDash and Uber Eats to make your money. These apps don't want you to be successful. You gotta make a way for yourself. So it comes with not playing no games. But that's all I have for you guys. Thank you for coming to the channel. Thank you for supporting. I know I've been MIA for a little bit, but I wanted to give you guys the real. So I just don't want to come on here and just make videos talking about random nonsense. The stuff I talk about on here is going to be giving you guys the information that you need to make money. Period. Until next time, it's your boy AD signing out. Peace out.